Hello, in this video I'm going to give you a camera test of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Now, for those of you that don't know already, I'll quickly go over the specs of these cameras. Now, on the back of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 you have two 12 megapixel cameras, both of them of which have optical image stabilization, and on the front we have an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Today I took a Samsung Galaxy Note 8 outside and went to do some camera and video tests and slow motion. So let's go check that out. Now let's start off with photos. This photo was taken on the standard wide angle lens. As you can see, it's a very nice photo of a funny looking building. And then this photo was taken on the telephoto lens, standing in the same position. And as you can see, it's nice, clear, crisp, zoomed in photo without the normal pixelation that you would normally get on a single camera phone. Moving on to some photos with a bit of colour. As you can see, it reproduces colour quite nicely, just the way I like it personally. It's also got a bit of a blurry background going on, which is really nice. And oh wow, look at that shot! Aren't I a great photographer? Slap my bum and call me daddy. There were some photos, however, that were taken within seconds of each other on auto mode, where one was washed out and the next one was quite good. And this happened on multiple occasions. Moving on to the front-facing camera, I found with the front-facing camera that it did lack a little bit of detail compared to the rear-facing camera, but that's sort of to be expected. Some of the shots on the front-facing camera were just like the rear in the fact that some of them were a little washed out and not quite as good as others. Onto some low-light shots now. There is a bit of noise there, but it's not necessarily doing a bad job. I do find the shots are mostly usable. The front-facing camera in low light does seem to lack a little bit of detail. I mean, look at that face I'm pulling. That's amazing. That would look so much better with more detail. Oh, here we are in the middle of nowhere again. And this is a camera test with the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. This is the front-facing camera in 16:9. Just held by hand. This is the sort of image you would get on the front-facing camera. Now this is the rear-facing camera. Oh, that was just a fly. This is the rear-facing camera, and hopefully I'm in the picture right now, as I can't see myself. But this is the sort of image quality you would expect from the rear-facing camera. No tripod or anything that I'm holding onto now. This is just handheld. The two cameras on the back of this phone have image stabilization. Flies, Australia, annoying. They seem to be attracted to my hair gel. Another thing I noticed on this phone is not only are the video capabilities quite good on this phone, but the sound quality is actually quite good in the video as well, with no external mic or anything. So that's a massive plus. Not all phones can do that. On to slow motion now. This phone can shoot 240 frames per second. The downfall to that, however, is it downgrades the resolution from 1080p to just 720. Thought I'd show you some vaguely low light video shot from the front facing camera. And how about the rear camera? Something sort of like this. On a side note to shooting this video for you today, 30 minutes in the Australian sun. That's what happens. Yeah, there's not on this arm, no, just the side where I was driving. I'm enduring pain for you. So please hit that subscribe button. Also, you can hit that like button too if you like. Get it if you like. Check out some of my other videos around here, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye!